Hi and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. On today's video, I will be harvesting some sweet potatoes. Now I didn't get these sweet potatoes planted until very late in the season, so I'm not expecting a whole lot from this harvest, but I think I have a few potatoes in my bag, so let's go and check it out. So I was going to leave these potatoes in the ground until we got a freeze or very close to a freeze. However, as you can see, my leaves have started to turn yellow, brown, and so I'm going to go ahead and remove this bag and get these potatoes out of the ground. I have my best friend who's going to help me. All right, let's take it to the ground. And let's see what we got in here. I've got a lot of stuff kind of sitting around, you guys, because I am making a new bed in this area where I just removed the potatoes from. So that's why you see all of my stuff lined up over here and my cardboard back there, because I'm going to use that cardboard. But anyway, let's see what we got here in this potato bag. Make sure that it's in, yeah, it's it. Let's see what's in the potato bag. Sweet potato bag. All right, and so these came from slips that I made early. Well, I don't know, it was probably April. Nope, it was June actually. It was June. So these are some small potatoes. Well, that one is a decent size potato, and this one is gonna do. And the rest are a little bit on the smaller side, but hey, it's okay. Have a little bit of a harvest from the grow bag. And it's a small grow bag, so I didn't expect a whole lot. And there are some little baby sweet potatoes in there. And then this was, I believe, the original one that I buried in there, along with some of the slips. So I'm just going to toss that to the side. And I'll be using some of these to plant them indoors as a house plant for the colder season. But these potatoes were planted after the grow bag, and so I don't think that we'll have a lot in here because of that. However, let's do some yanking and see what we got. We got some little skinnies there. Gonna use them either way. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Wow, I didn't even expect to get anything this big out of this bed. But we have a few potatoes. Since these were planted so late, I honestly just expected just a bunch of stuff like that. A bunch of these like this. I really didn't expect even anything that big. So That's a win-win. Win-win for me. Let's see what else is in here. One little small one there. Okay, at this point, let me grab my gloves. That would be a nice piece to put inside, put into a container. So I'm going to set that one to the side. So I got a bunch of mosquitoes. Got a bunch of small ones that I'll toss over. And now I didn't realize that I had some white potatoes in here. So I'll toss those over. And there's another white potato. And that's it for that bed. And this is my last area for red potatoes, some white potatoes, and some sweet potatoes. But the leaves are still looking decent. I'm going to leave them alone. And then I'll come back and revisit at first frost on these. So here's our small sweet potato harvest for 2020. It's not much, but we're going to enjoy them nonetheless. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.